Namaste listeners, I'm Renu Tyagi and this is next video for class 11th of chapter 1 of statistics. And children, in this video we will learn what is statistics, limitations of statistics, and statistical methods are not substitute for common sense, right? And children, here I have written some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 0, 1. Can you guess what are these? You have to guess what are these. I think you guessed, and I can imagine that some of you might guess these numbers as it might be a date, it might be a marks, it might be a house number, it might be a roll number, right? मैंने आपको एक पजल दिया है ये कि इसको गैस करिए ये क्या है। आप में से कुछ ने इसको गैस किया होगा कि ये मार्क्स हो सकते हैं, ये डेट हो सकती है, ये रोल नंबर हो सकते हैं। बट चिल्ड्रन, I will give you the correct answer that these are raw data. What are these? These are raw data. Raw data means the collected data which will not help you to reach on any result. ये रॉ डेटा है बिकॉज ये आपको किसी रिजल्ट पर पहुंचाने में हेल्प नहीं करेगा, राइट? इसको और क्या बोल सकते हैं? अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड डेटा. These are the data in its original form. So these are raw data, and raw data means the unorganized data which will not help you to reach any conclusion or a result. So you are supposed to arrange these numbers in an organized order, then you can reach on a result. So let's see now. Children, this is the definition of economics. Economics is the study of how people and society choose to employ scarce resources that could have alternative usage in order to produce various commodities that satisfy their wants and to distribute them for consumption among various persons and group in society. So this is the definition of economics, and you are supposed to learn this definition as it is written, right? Because it is written in an inverted commas. Now children, here the most important question of this chapter 1, what statistics does, means what are the importance of statistics. Children, you can see that statistics means data, the collected data, and the collected data help economist, politician, businessmen, and all. So what are the importance of statistics? Number one, statistics help economists to understand economic problem. Second, help to make policies for identify problem. All the policies which are made by the government are made on the basis of the collected data. Like if the government want to eliminate poverty, unemployment, then the government must have the number of the people who are unemployed and who are uneducated, so that the policies can be made by the government according to the collected data. So the statistics help policies for identified problem, help in condensing mass data in a few numerical measure. Next importance, these numerical measure help to summarize data. Statistics is used to find relation between different economic factors. For example, price and demand are oppositely related. Price and supply are directly related. Clear? So these are the relation between different economic factors on the basis of statistics. Help in formulation plan and policies, helpful for politician, very important. Statistics also help politician because all the policies or the plans by the politician for the coming election are based on the previous year collected data. So statistics is helpful for economists, for policymaker, for businessmen, and for politician. Clear? Now look at, this is the paragraph or your NCRT book. Look, statistics in economics. In the previous section, you were told about certain spatial studies that concern the basic problem facing And children, this is the definition of economic data. Economic data means the economic facts are known as economic data. Here the definition of policy. Policy means um, in economics, such measures are known as policy. What are the measures? The measures which are used to solve the problem. The purpose does that analysis of poverty serve unless we are able to find way to mitigate it. We may therefore also try to find those measures that help solve an economic problem. Clear? So policy means the measure which help to solve the economic problem are known as policies. So here is the definition of policy. Policy means the measure which help to solve an economic problem, and economic data means the economic facts, and this is that the economic helps to find relation between factors. And children, here statistical method are no substitute for common sense. It's an ncert question that comment that statistical method are no substitute for common sense. Children, in this you have to write that one should not believe on statistical data blindly. Statistical data may have error because these are collected by the investigator. So error can be made by the investigator at the time of collecting the data. For example, children, if we say that in an area, if there are large number of hospitals, so there will be large number of healthy people, right? But this may be proved true by statistically, but this does not match with common sense. Clear? इसमें आपको ये बताना है कि स्टैटिस्टिकल डाटा को हमें ब्लाइंडली फेथ नहीं करना चाहिए, बिकॉज बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल स्टैटिस्टिकली ट्रू हो सकते हैं बट वो कॉमन सेंस में हम उन्हें मैच वो नहीं करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि अगर हम बोलते हैं कि एक एरिया में जितने ज़्यादा हॉस्पिटल हैं इसका मतलब उस एरिया में उतने ही ज़्यादा हेल्दी पीपल हैं, बट ये स्टेटमेंट स्टैटिस्टिकली ट्रू हो सकती है बट this does not match with common sense. So statistical method no substitute for common sense. We should not faith statistically data blindly because error can be made by the investigator at the time of collecting data, and some example can be true statistically but they does not match with common sense as we share example. So thank you children. And limitation of statistics, children, these are the statistics limitations. Means statistics has no use for common sense as we discussed in the previous slide. It does not deal with individuals. Studies only quantitative data. Clear? Statistics studies only quantitative data. It can be misused. So this all about chapter 1, introduction of statistics. Thank you for watching children, and kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Be happy, be healthy. Thank you.